Multi-level taxi park coming for Christiana, Manchester. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Within the next 3 months, work is set to begin on the expansion of the taxi park in Christiana, Manchester, where it will accommodate 500 public passenger vehicles in a multi-purpose facility following months of complaints and protests by operators. Minister of Transport and Work Audley Shaw made the announcement during a tour of the facility on Friday. A part of the land is already owned by the municipal corporation, so we don't have to buy land except for another piece, which we might have to purchase that is owned by a private company, he said. Shaw, who is the Member of Parliament for Manchester North Eastern, said that the municipal corporation owns approximately half an acre of land, while the adjoining private property is about an acre. Managing Director at the Transport Authority, Ralston Simmet, said that there was leniency on taxi operators given the inadequate parking in the town. We want to be in the position to accommodate at least 500 taxis in this particular space. Enforcement cannot be carried out in a vacuum. So far, there is not enough infrastructure to accommodate operators. The police have allowed operators to use certain sidewalk of the road to park. What we want to do is to ensure that we create a space for the operators to park comfortably in a transport center and for commuters to have bathroom facility to use, said Simmet. Mayor of Mandeville Donovan Mitchell said that the Manchester Municipal Corporation will be working fast so that to get the infrastructure design complete for the multi-purpose facility, which he expects to be ready by year end. We are trying to catch up now with what is happening, so once we are able to move some of the taximen off the road, we will now be able to follow through with a one-way system and giving up some of the space along the roadway for private parking and all of that, said Mitchell. Asked about the long-term plan for the development of Christiana and removing the eyesores close to the Christiana bypass, Mitchell said that the municipal authority will need assistance. In terms of shocks, we have a team of municipal police who goes around and look at the situation, but again, all this does not happen overnight because some of these persons have been there for years along the bypass. So we want to look at how it is good and how we can accommodate some proper infrastructure. So we have to look at it that we can find housing accommodation, that land space to move some of these persons along the roadway. We have some lands on Linz Avenue, but we are trying to work out something for the persons who are on that set of land. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide more information to comment this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.